Terasaki Electric Company Limited began in 1923, making and selling knife switches and switchboards. Almost 100 years later, Terasaki is a world powerhouse of technology and quality in the fields of power distribution and control systems, circuit breakers, and electronic devices. Making that possible has been Terasaki's business bases around the world. Uniform quality worldwide is the promise you get from Team Terasaki. Team Terasaki has production and sales operations on every continent, with a network of factories, offices, and agents in Europe, the Middle East, the countries of Asia, Oceania, the Americas, and Africa. Using this global network, Team Terasaki does business in marine systems, industrial systems, circuit breakers, medical devices, and engineering and life cycle services. In the marine systems business, Terasaki deals in a wide range of products, including medium voltage switchgear, power distribution systems, group starter panels, integrated monitoring and control systems, engine monitoring systems, onshore power supply systems for ships, and crew training systems. These marine systems are made around the world at Terasaki factories in Yao, Osaka, and Imari-Saga in Japan, in Shanghai and Guangzhou, China, and in Singapore. In addition, Terasaki has sales bases in China, Germany, and Brazil. Sales operations are handled by offices in major cities around the world. Items for marine systems are usually customized for individual ships, so everything begins with design. Terasaki's highly experienced design team provides the best solutions, complete with new ideas and concepts that lead to innovative technologies. Terasaki has the technological capabilities to meet individual requirements, with a thoroughly integrated production system that takes advantage of these capabilities. In fact, Terasaki has its own frame production line to work and coat sheet metal for switchgear and panels. Thanks to this thoroughly integrated production system that covers everything from design to detailing, Terasaki can meet virtually any need. Assembled products are carefully tested and tuned to ensure optimum performance. With a track record of over 16,000 deliveries of 10,000-ton and larger class ships, products for marine systems from Team Terasaki continue to drive the business sector as a brand renowned around the world. Terasaki makes products for industrial systems at its factories in Yao, Osaka, Singapore, and Guangzhou and Shanghai, China. Its offices in Singapore and Shanghai operate as important bases for selling to the Asian market, while global sales activities are conducted by offices and agents in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and other cities around the world. Terasaki offers made-to-order products in this line of business as well, including high-voltage switchgear and control gear, power distribution systems, and motor control centers, all designed and built by an integrated production system. Terasaki supports economic activity in urban areas, and has delivered power distribution systems to Osaka municipal subway stations and to smart buildings. The Terasaki brand is also in the limelight in industrial fields outside of Japan, including the delivery of electrical installations for a 1,000 megawatt coal-fired power plant to a major power provider in Indonesia. Terasaki is also demonstrating its technical prowess with deliveries in new energy fields that are drawing global attention, including control systems for industrial-grade solar power systems and cogeneration systems, renewable energy demonstration plans for ports and harbors, demonstration infrastructure for pilot smart cities, and storage battery panels for trains. Team Terasaki is always looking one step ahead to quickly identify changes in the industrial world and meet those changes with technological innovation. Certified under a variety of international standards, Terasaki has established its circuit breakers as de facto global standards. Technologically unrivaled in this field, Terasaki is expanding into markets around the globe. Terasaki makes its large-size breakers in Kami, Osaka, medium-sized breakers in Yabakei, Oita, and small-sized breakers in Malaysia. With sales bases in the UK, Italy, Spain, Sweden, Dubai, Singapore, Guangzhou, Shanghai, and Brazil, Terasaki does business around the world through agents in practically every major city. As with our air circuit breakers, molded case circuit breakers, multi-protection relays, and other flagship products, Terasaki pioneered the first DC circuit breakers made in Japan for solar power systems, which are becoming increasingly popular. Terasaki also makes highly reliable products such as fireproof and watertight multi-cable transits. Terasaki's DC circuit breakers for solar power systems are at work across Japan, while other breaker products from Terasaki can be found on the Tokyo Skytree in Japan, as well as abroad at Heathrow Airport in London and at the Petronas Towers in Malaysia. These breakers are precision crafted by an integrated production system, including metallic parts that are machined from blank stock on NC machining centers. Terasaki has equipment to mold and deburr plastic breaker casings, ensuring speedy parts production for each type of product. Copper parts as well are cut, drilled, and joined completely in-house to enhance productivity. The breakers are then either assembled one by skilled engineers using a cellular production system, or at digital stations that employ IT to eliminate mistakes and loss, improve productivity, and reduce costs. Terasaki uses this approach to build stable quality into its breakers. Doing everything from material processing to assembly is why Terasaki's quality is renowned worldwide and is an inimitable component of the Team Terasaki spirit. Moreover, the Kami factory has generator sets for short circuit tests. Tests are conducted every day under strict regulatory conditions according to international standards to ensure that every product offers maximum reliability. In 1992, the world's first automatic urine analyzer to use a CCD camera to analyze test strips by the colorimetric method, hit the market and rocked the world of medical care. It was the product of Teramex Company Limited, a key player of Team Terasaki. As with switchgear and circuit breakers, Teramex has a highly experienced group of professionals that develop, design, and build in effective solutions to customer needs. To contribute to healthcare using its years of know-how in electrics, electronics, and control, Terasaki acquired ISO 13485 certification for quality management of medical device design and manufacture. Teramex has won an outstanding reputation in the field of medical care. By pioneering many world-first technologies, Teramex continues to introduce compact, high-precision products at the frontiers of medical care, including fully automated urine analyzers and gene amplifiers. For its medical devices, Teramex has built a total production system that allows comprehensive testing and evaluation of products before they are put on the market. Plans are to expand development and production systems to make inroads into new markets. You can count on Team Terasaki to provide solutions that will breathe new life into the medical world. Terasaki's technical capabilities and spirit of total service continue long after product delivery. Timely maintenance, retrofitting with new models, and engineering advice and support are important tasks for extending equipment service life in the marine and industrial systems business. As a wing of Team Terasaki, and as a professional group for providing this engineering scope and lifecycle services, Teratech Limited visits customers every day to help them get the best performance out of Terasaki products. Teratech has built a global service network with bases in Japan, the Americas, Singapore, the Middle East, Guangzhou and Shanghai, China, the UK, Germany, and Brazil. Moreover, Teratech stocks a wide variety of general-use parts and has established a system that allows parts to be procured at any time. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, Terasaki's engineering services are at work around the world. Ensuring safety, security, and comfort is only the bare minimum for Team Terasaki. For about a century now, Terasaki has been supporting society and people's lives by helping to ensure a stable supply of electric power. Looking toward the future, Terasaki remains unchanged in its commitments. To contribute to mankind by developing, making, and selling the world's best products, and by providing services that make customers feel safe, secure, and comfortable. And to take power distribution and control technologies to the highest level possible. Team Terasaki has much to offer as it expands around the globe. Terasaki Electric continues to grow and impress the world.